Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, November 21st. Well, I want to begin by thanking everyone who came by to say hi to me at the Las Vegas Traders Expo. It was great to see you. I really enjoyed our conversation, so thanks for taking time out to do that. Let's start by taking a look at the stock indices. And yes, we did find sellers on Friday, but my point of view, I'm looking for an up day today in the stock market. And let's continue on with this. I'm also looking for an up move in these currencies. Now, the British pound did trade up through this green line, and the difference between the green line and the red line there for the British pound is 90 ticks. I'm not suggesting that anyone should do that or that this is the type of return that they can expect to get. But just to give you an idea of what happened there. If we look at interest rates, I'm looking for them to come off. The short end of the curve, 90-day paper here, looking for that to get stronger slightly, and for the notes and the bonds to get a little bit weaker. When it comes to metals, I think we've gotten low enough to find buyers in gold and silver and in our friend Mr. Copper. So I'm looking for a follow through to the upside in those markets and in crude oil. The market did trade back down through this red line, and the difference between the red line and the green line here in those markets is $17.70. Whenever we have these kind of moves, I usually have a few questions about this, and so let's just talk about what this represents. And again, I'm not suggesting that anyone should do this trade or should get this return. But $17.70. Well, if you look up here, that's the E-mini contract that I'm showing. The E-mini contract, in that contract, every 2.5 cents equals $10, or $1 equals 400. So the value of this change, the magnitude of that change, would be $7,080. Now, if you were trading the full-size contract, excuse me, every penny is $10. And in that case, this difference would be $17,700. And again, I'm not suggesting that you should get that, but to give you an idea of what that magnitude change would be for the crude oil contract. Now, let's move on and let's take a look at the grains. Well, in the grains, I'm looking for an up day in the grains today. Corn, beans, and wheat. That concludes today's market studies. Looking forward to being with you again, and in the meantime, take care.